Kaninang tanghali pa ako hubad sa kabila. Gabi na, hubad pa rin. Ay nako, sisipyonin na talaga. Hindi, pag kilala ko kasi yung channel holder, hindi ko na question yun. Pero pag bago, yung bagong-bago talaga na bago para sa akin, ayun. Sinisilip ko muna yung mga channel nila bago ako nag-ano. Katulad niyan. Lord Oblia, si ano yan, si Ma'am Lucita. Lucita? Yan, bigyan natin ng moderator si Ma'am Lucita. Thank you po, Ma'am Lucita. Yan. Pagkilala ko na yung channel kasi, bigyan agad ng jacket yan. Natawa ako sa comment ni Sir Alex. Pero pag nanibago talaga ako, Sir Alex, isisilip ko talaga yun. Yan. Isisilip ko. So, thank you, Ma'am Lucita. Still in your house. Ayan, madilim na. Madilim na. Iba na ang positioning ng camera mo. Ilang hours na ba ito? 3 hours na pala si Ma'am Lucita. Kanina ka pala nag-live, Ma'am Lucita. Naka-off kasi yung aking laptop kanina. Hello, Cordelia! Thank you so much. I'm going to your channel now. How are you, Cordelia? Silip-silip. Okay, no problem po, Ma'am Lucita. Cordelia, going to your channel po. Anyway, nandito naman ako lagi sa nakatambay ako, Ma'am Lucita, sa bahay mo. So, going to your channel now, Cordelia. Yeah, very good. Nice that you are good. Happy to know that you are good. So, Cordelia Las. Now, I'm opening now your video. 192 subscribe. 1.92k subscribe. Okay, let me go this your 10-minute video. 10 minutes video. I get the 10 minutes video for Cordelia Las. Tito Jun, still in your house, ha? Yeah. Well, thank you so much, Cordelia. I want you to support. Okay. I will do that also. After my other channel. After my other channel will be able to free up. They are still in use. So, kilala na nila ako. Matagal na. Baka ayaw nila magbigay ng jacket sa sa Ninja. Baka ayaw nila bigyan ng jacket yung Ninja, Sir Alex. So, Sandra's Fitness, I will go in your channel in a little while. My angels are still in use. So, Tito John is still in your channel. Sir Alex Marsan is still in your channel. And of course, Cordelia Las is still in your channel. So, thank you so much for people in the house. So, Sandra's Fitness. You do not have videos in it. Better put some video also for Sandra's Fitness. Yan. Alexander Marsan. Mix Vlog. Tamsak dikit ulit. Bagong channel. Thank you so much. May moderator pa rin. Ganyan talaga yan, Sir